Today we are going to draw a wooden figure. So the head's a little different than an oval. So we're going to come around like we're drawing an oval, but then narrow it down, and then at the bottom you can put a little frown like that to show this curve right here. Then there is a small little bead of wood right there. So we're gonna make a little oval, and then we want to take a measurement. This head and this chest cavity is the same length. So I'll take the head that I drew here, mark it here, and draw the chest. We could also take a measurement this way. The top of the chest, that's about right, maybe a little bigger. So it has kind of a curve right here. So you could draw that curve right there. Like the wood is kind of shaved off right there. Okay. Now it's a little bit longer, both this piece right here down to the hips. It's a little longer than a head. So here's the head, and then it'll come down just a little longer. So we have that little rounded oval right here. And then this is kind of a bell shape. And let's see if I can twist this so you can see. It has this little upside down U shape right here. And then we have some really fun little joints. So 2 little circles with a slit. And then let's measure these legs. 1 1/2. So 1 plus 1/2 of this goes to here. And that is the thigh, and it's wider at the top and then comes down lower at the bottom and has this little frown shape right here. And then maybe I want my leg to be doing something else. Maybe it can come off to the side like that. One and a half of these, 1 1/2. It's kind of hard to draw when that's in my space. Okay. There we go. And then we have this small part of a ball here, so just the bulges of the side. This one has the line here. And then let's measure again. 1 2 to the bottom of the foot. So 1 2, and then I could draw the foot here. So maybe I'll draw the foot first. It has kind of a bulge on the toe and then comes around to the heel here. I could see the bottom of the foot here. You'll probably have yours standing up though. Mine's laying down so you can see it. And then the little ball here, part of that ball, wider at the top, narrower at the bottom. And that was 2 head lengths. Let's check again. 1 2, yes, 2. Okay, just making sure. 1 2, and that's where the bottom part of the foot is. Has this little ball here, and then it's wider at the top of the calf and narrower at the bottom where the ankle is. And then let's check on these arms. There's a ball here, shoulder, and then this part of the arm comes, ooh, maybe we'll change this arm on this side so it's more interesting when we draw that side. This part of the arm lines up with the top of the hips. So right here. And it kind of balloons out a little bit and has this joint. And then that's one head length. One head length. And then the hand. The hand is half the head, so half the head. And we'll quickly do this other side. It's about a head length too. Head length, just pinching my fingers together on the length of the head and then moving it over to measure. This was just part of a head length. So that is how you can draw the wooden figure.